6 ways off makes you sound like a native. I'm going on holiday tomorrow. I'm off on holiday tomorrow. Use off to a place instead of going to a place. 7 times 9 equals 54. My calculation is inaccurate. My calculation is off. Use off to say a calculation, estimate, or guess is inaccurate. I'm not working today. I'm off today. Use off instead of not working. This milk smells bad. I think it might be out of date. This milk smells bad. I think it might be off. Use off instead of out of date for food and drinks. It's raining. The picnic is cancelled. It's raining. The picnic is off. Use off to say an event is cancelled. I'm feeling a little sick. I'm feeling a bit off. Use off when you don't feel 100%, when you feel a little poorly. Try making your own example sentences with off in the comments.